Hi guys, my name is Mohammed and today's video about fraction, and I'm gonna solve few questions which came in CSSE exam. So first I'm gonna solve the CSSE 2018 and question number 11. Yeah, I mean this question number 11, it's complete questions. Okay, so there are 5 marks questions for fractions, so you need to revise your fraction. So the question number 1, it says 2 over 5 plus 3 over 10. Okay, so how we solve the fraction, we already learned about this one. So 5 and 10, look at, these are the common multiples. Go back and check my video how to solve if the fractions based on common multiple. So you need to simply work on the first or second fractions. Now look at, this is the 10 and this is the 5, so you can make it 10 because the rule says you make the same denominator. So I'm gonna times by 2. If I'm times with denominator, so I need to do numerator as well. So it means, look at this one, 2 times 2 is 4 and 5 times 2 is 10, and same as plus and 3 over 10. So your answer will be 10 as it is because this is the same denominator, and 4 plus 3, which is equal to 7. So your answer is 7 over 10. So this is the first question. So question number 11, and this is the part A. Now I'm going to solve the part B. So the part B, it says 9 over 7 minus 5 over 14. Look at this one. Again, this is the common multiples. Okay, so if there is a common multiple, very simple, very easy. Okay, so you can make it this fraction to 14 denominator. So 7 times 2 is 14, and if times with denominator, so you need to times with numerator as well. So it means 9 times 2 is 18, and 7 times 2 is 14, and minus 5 over 14. Now look at this one, 14 and 14 is the same denominator, so you can write only one time. And now look at this one, is takeaway question. So 18 take away 5, which is equal to 13. So your answer is 13 over 14. Very simple, very easy. If there is a common multiples, okay, so you need to work only one fraction to make the same denominators. The rule says, okay, so you need to make the same denominator for the second or first fractions times the number, which make it like any number to make the same as 7 times 2 14. So 14 is there. If you times with denominator, you need to times with numerator. Exactly the same part A as well. Okay, so 5 times 2 is 10. Okay, to make the same denominator for the second fraction, and also 2 times 2 is 4, because the rule says if times with denominator, so you need to times with numerator. Now move for the question number part C. Part C is says 2 over 3 times 3 over 4, but this is not the addition or subtraction fraction, but this is the times. Okay, be careful. So very simple, this is also very easy, numerator and denominator. Okay, so this one is going to be cancelled. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 1 is 3, 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times 2 is 4. So look at this one, 1 times 1 is 1, and 2 times 1 is 2. So your answer is 1 over 2. Move for the part D. Okay, it's part D. It says, okay, what it says, what is the half of 1 over 3 over 8? So what is the half of this number? Okay, so half means divide by 2. So if I'm gonna say that this is the 4, what is the half for the 4? So you need to simply divide by 2. If I'm gonna say that this is the number 8, please, what is the half of 8? So you simply divide by 2. So exactly you need to do it here as well. So half of this one we are going to divide by 2. To put the sign divide, and you need to write down 2. Now look at this one, how to solve. 8 times 1 is 8 plus 3, which is 11. So 11 over 8. Divide sign going to be changed to times, and now this is 2 as a numerator, so it's going to be denominator. You need to flip the fractions, okay? It means this is 2 is 1, so you're going to change the sign, times, and flip the fraction, okay? Now look at this one. So 11 times 1 is 11, and 8 times 2 is 16. Yeah, so this is your final answer. Now look at the part E, okay? So the part E says, okay, so 5 divide by 1 over 3. Very easy, okay? So exactly the same way what you're going to, if there is a sign for divide, so what you're going to do is you need to change to the times, and next to divide the fraction is going to be flipped, 3 over 1. So your answer is 5 times 3 is 15, 15 over 1. So the final answer is 15. So this is the question came in 2018. Yeah, okay. So there are 5 parts, A, B, C, D, and each has a 1 mark. Okay, so and these are very easy. Okay, so very these two questions on a fraction solving by common multiples. Okay, and you simply times with one of the fractions to make the same denominator and simplify, and the second fraction is by times. You simply cancel each other and find the answer, 1 over 2. And D, the part is, okay, it says, okay, what is the half of this number? Remember, if there's a half of this number, you simply divide by 2, number 2. Yeah, and you just flip this fraction and simplify. And the last one is also the E part, and the E is 5 divided by 1 over 3. And I change the sign to the times and flip this fraction, and 5 times 3 is 15. So this is the CSSE 2018. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please share with your family, friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So if you need any help and support, so don't hesitate to contact us. My number you can find here. So I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.